Hello everyone, Terrain, owner of All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. You know our slogan, 916-549-5255. Make that phone number ring. We'll love to assist you. We cover everything from, let's say, Folsom all the way to Davis and in between, and sometime a little bit of the outskirts. Today, we're up in the foothills. Here's a beautiful scenery out here. All Terrain. We're out in Newcastle, California, and a client had reached out to us about doing a dryer vent cleaning service. And we can see on our ascent up, we can kind of take a look right down there. And what you see under there, you see all the lint under there. It says it probably hasn't been cleaned in a while. So it's kind of like blocking the flow from the dryer inlet to the outlet coming up top. So to do dryer vent cleaning services, visit us at allterrain.com and schedule your next clean. We'll love to come out and assist you. We're also going to be doing a solar panel cleaning today. So you can see the array right here. Just take a look around. All the times when you see some of the panels, they do get a little bit of like it has some hard water stains or whatever the case is, just from the rain. And our client has about 29 solar panels. You could also see some moss if you look all the way down. I'll get really close. And you go all the way down and you see that moss right there. We do moss removal, roof wash. I can tell that this roof has a really good solid roof too. These cement tiles are really thick. And then we have another, what is that, 5 right there? So we have another 24 solar panels on this side right here to knock out. So yeah, visit us at allterrain.com. We help clean your clean renewable energy. So yeah, if you want to get top production out of it, you can definitely tell that this is a lot of dust covering these. I just want to make any notation. Again, when you clean these things, whatever is under it, you can kind of, we'll see the residue, but you'll see how this will be cleaned up really nice. And you can see right there, we'll get that array as well. So here we go. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Let you guys take the view too and see what it looks like here. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh man, yeah, it's heavy. I just pulled that from right down. You see we have our mask and you don't want to be breathing this stuff in. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Take it all down. And this is why, matter of fact, before I'm not going to even take any more of this out. I'm going to open this. I need to go get my bucket. I don't want all this stuff blowing down, getting all over the place. But it should be pretty straightforward. You unloose the levers right here. And you can see right here, it looks like it's been a long time. Oh, wow. Now look at that. What's in your dryer vent? So again, this is like they say, out of sight, out of mind. So I can see how that can actually kind of go, but definitely getting your dryer vent cleaned regularly. They recommend doing it at least once a year. By doing this, you can lower your utility costs, especially if you have, or you're doing a lot of laundry. So yeah, make sure you take care of that, guys. And again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC on YouTube. Help us grow. And spread the word. I mean, again, for the Supreme Clean, you know the slogan, make that phone number ring, and welcome to the A-Team. Bye now.